Guys, last video I showed you my gun, right? So here's the gun. You can look at the features on it. I use this piece. Is it Technic? Guys, answer my question. Is it Technic or not? By the way, I have an opening here, so wait, I'll adjust this. So you can see I can adjust this thing. I think it easily breaks. It can always easily break, and it sometimes will get, and sometimes, and to reload it, you grab this thing, and make sure the bullets should stand like that, and then you take the part off, and you put a newer version of it. Oh! Wow, it survived that. After the new version is placed, you need to do this, like put it back on there, and then I will need to put this turret. Wait. After I put it there, I shut it quickly. After that, you can shoot now. Wait, I think I need to. After that, you can shoot. It even makes real noises. The sound.